In this video, just like you see here, the gems and resources are shooting up. We're about to blow up your accounts, guys. Let's go. First step, guys, head straight into your phone settings. Scroll down to find apps, guys, and once you see it, tap right in. Tap on apps like you see here, then go up and hit the search icon at the top. Type in DLS, open the game settings and get ready. We're just getting started, guys. Inside the game settings now, scroll down and tap on battery, just like you see here. The game is set to optimized by default, but we don't want that. Switch it to unrestricted so it stays connected to the server while sending all the resources. Alright guys, next step, open up Google Chrome. Now go to the top and tap the three dots just like you see here. From the menu, head into privacy and security. This is super important. Alright guys, now go into do not track and make sure this option is turned off. This is super important to keep the site working smoothly with zero issues from your browser. Alright guys, after finishing that step, head back to Google Chrome and go straight to this website. Type it in carefully so you don't make any mistakes. And if you need the link, don't worry. I've pinned it in the first comment for you, my friends. As you can see guys, this is the website interface. Tap the yellow button right here and as you can see my friends, it's now asking for the game info, so stick with me to see exactly how to get it. Here it's asking for your account info, so let's jump back into the game. Watch closely guys and do exactly what I do, step by step with precision. Now that we've copied the game data, paste it right here, then choose your system, Android or iOS, and select how many resources you want in your account. Go big guys! Alright guys, the next step is coming up, and it's super easy but you've got to pay close attention here. This is a quick verification, nothing complicated at all, but it's really important so the system can start sending your resources. So stay with me, focus up, and let's get it done together. The tasks are super easy as you can see right here. You need to complete all of them or at least 3 so the system can confirm you're human and send you the resources. There's a lot of traffic, so make sure you follow through. The tasks might ask you to download an app, verify with your phone number, or confirm your email, but remember my friend, never enter any password ever. And in the end, it worked perfectly as you can see. Don't forget to follow my channel guys, more epic stuff is coming your way.